The lab for CS 100 is CL 136. It's where all of our classes go, it's where our help hours are, it's where you will be when you are attending the labs. You can find it on the corner of the classroom building coming from the Research and Innovation Center. It is important that you attend your registered lab sections because if you just were to walk into someone else's lab section, we already have a number of students there. There's not going to be enough space for you. So please do not attend other lab sections unless you're given permission. You'll be asked to leave. The lab schedule can be found here, on the door, or on other parts of the lab page. There are some rules for the lab. The lab is available at all times, 24 hours, 7 days a week, outside of scheduled lab periods. So just check that schedule. Remember that you can't actually enter the university after 11, so if you wanted to use the lab at night, you have to already be there before the doors are locked. Please don't bring food or drinks into the lab. With all of the people that go in and out, there's a lot of times we just have small spills, and it's just really annoying to deal with and potentially damaging. And also keep in mind how often that place is cleaned. You probably don't want to be eating in there. Just saying. So the lab has approximately 26 computers. They all run the Windows 10 operating system, and they have all of the useful programs you need for this class installed and set up. All of the labs on campus are connected to a network iDrive. You'll be wanting to make sure that you're saving your files on that drive and not on your local C drive or on your desktop, because when you save something in C or desktop, it's saved onto that exact computer, which is fine except for if anyone else ever takes your spot in the lab, you will instantly lose everything until you can get back to that computer. So make sure you're just saving on your iDrive, so if there's ever any problems, you have all of your stuff backed up there. There is a printer in the lab, but you have to have set up printing on your university account before you can use it, and please remember that you're charged per page. There are other labs available on campus if this one is booked or full and you want to work on your assignment outside of the times. The list can be found here. We have the libraries, the main library, the Dr. Archer, the Luther Library, the Campion Library. They all have computers available that you can log into using your Hyperion account. We also have CL 109, Ed 440, and the Riddell Center. So there are a number of options if the lab is busy. And that is our lab policies.